Drilling a hole in metal can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it's actually quite easy to do. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional looking to complete a project, this video will provide you with all the information you need to successfully drill a hole in metal. Step 1. Use a sacrificial board. Place sacrificial boards on top and underneath of metal sheet to make a sacrificial sandwich so that a spot can be produced with the least amount of debris while drilling the hole. Step 2. Make a dimple. Drill bits are sometimes hesitant when dealing with metal. It's also possible that they're easily sidetracked as soon as the drilling begins. They tend to leave the area. Utilizing a pointed punch and a hammer, you may avoid this problem by creating a tiny depression in the metal at the mark you made for drilling. Step 3. Add oil. Much friction is generated when a metal bit cuts through metal material. Before drilling into the metal, you should apply a few drops of cutting oil, 3-in-1 oil or motor oil, which will help to decrease heat and friction. Step 4. Drill slow and low. That entails reducing the speed of the drill and lowering the pressure. Most exercises ought to be done at roughly half rate or slower. Keep the pressure on the drill low, and allow the bit to handle most of the job. Extra heat is generated when you drill too quickly and press down too hard on the drill, which quickly dulls the bits. Step 5. Handling smoke while drilling metal. When you see smoke, it means that the temperature is rising too high, because you are drilling too quickly. If you detect smoke, you need to stop shooting immediately. Step 6. Start small. Begin with a minor bit and work your way up to the desired hole size in progressive steps. For instance, if you require a hole that is ½ inch in diameter, start using a bit that is 1/8 inch in diameter, and then increase the size by 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and then ½ inch. Step 7. Clean up the hole. After drilling, you may smooth it out by using a drill bit slightly wider in diameter than the hole itself. Place the bit within the opening, then manually rotate it to remove the metal shavings.